is take 3. Today we're talking about scissor safety. This is for married men, because we all know 1 week ago a woman out in California decided to take a pair of ordinary household scissors and cut her husband's dick off. And this is what she did. She gave him some sleeping pills. Honey, would you like some dinner? She put the pills in her husband's dinner. He then went to sleep. All peaceful, he's sleeping, and then she walks in, takes the scissors. I'm going to sit up so I can show you. And proceeds to cut it right off. She then walks in the other room with the penis in hand. And proceeds to drop it into the garbage disposal.